Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to prepare our 3D into a building plan. Now, this is a 3D I did. I've designed the 3D, I've modeled it. This is a 4-bedroom bungalow. And now it has to be built. For it to be built, I have to do the detailed work. So today we're going to be learning how to prepare our plan. Not just designing, let's prepare our plan. That's what we're going to be learning today. So first, I'll come down to, after you've modeled your 3D, you've modeled it, you've rendered it, the next thing you need is a new page for the detailing. Then you go to your first modeling. This is the job. There's a modeling. Now I need to get all 4 sides elevation. I'll come to the east here. I'll create a copy. I'll copy this elevation. Okay, I'll copy this elevation. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out all our class. So I'll paste it here. I'm trying to do a detailed work. I'll paste it here. Okay, you have to take down all the 4 elevation, all 4 sides, because if you want to work the detailing on the modeling section, you might end up spoiling it. So I'll come to the knots here. Okay, the knot is blocked. I'll leave it first. I'll come to the SAT. Okay, I'll pick the SAT. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll come back here. Paste it there. The light load. This thing. Okay, I'll move it. Paste it there. I'm going to use it later. It's very necessary. This elevation. So I'll go back. I'll pick the west. Let me see, the west is blocked. Let's see, the west is blocked and the SAT is blocked. So I'll come back to my ground floor. Okay, this is the west. Okay, this is west. The west and the north is blocked in this section. So I'm just going to take them off. Like delete them completely. I'm going to pass this in my command. Just want to use then to get my job done. So I'm going to pass this. You see, just want to take this first. That's very necessary. So I'll take this off. Okay, I'll take this off. Okay, so let me go to the ground floor. First floor. I think I was supposed to. Okay, I'll just take them off completely once at a time. Okay, so there's a light in here. So the light set in there. Let me take it off. Okay, so let's check the west again. I see there's a blockage. Let's check the west. Calculating. Okay, there is a little blockage. Doing this. Okay, I don't need this power. Let's go back to the ground floor. I don't need this. Okay, so let's take it in. I just want to copy just the elevation. Okay, perfect. So sometimes with 10 difference, you can take the difference to the other side. But I need all that time. This is going to be very long class. So I'm going to copy this. I'll come back here, paste it. You need all 4 sides elevation. This is what you have to do. So let's go to the first stage for editing. Let's go to the first stage for editing so you don't mess up your job. So let's go to the north side, in the last part of it. North side. Okay, so copy the north side. Okay, I'll paste it here. Let's see. Okay guys, you see, now I have all my elevations. I have all my 4 sides elevation. That's what I just did now. All 4 sides elevation is here. You can see I have everything that I need. All the 4 sides elevation is here. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to close the previous one. Being this, I'll close this. I'll do don't save, so it doesn't need to mess up what I just did now. So after closing that, I'll come here. This is my main job. This is what I want to do right now. I want to produce a building plan from this. Oh, my bad. Sorry, I didn't copy the floor plan. So I have to reopen that project to get the floor plan. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This is what we're going to be working on right now. We're going to work on this completely. So let me just copy the floor plan and come back to our job. So guys, I'm going to copy the floor plan and also the roof plan. This is the roof plan. I'm going to copy this roof plan and copy this floor plan. Okay, I'll create a copy of it. Okay, allow it to load. Once you create a copy, allow the circle to rotate completely. So I'll paste it where I want to edit, being this part. I'll paste it there. Okay, let me just move it to where I want. Now I have my 4 side elevation, my floor plan and my roof plan. So I'm going to close this. Because I don't need it anymore. To create space, I'm just going to close this so I can be able to have space to work on. So now these are detailing. I'm going to move this because this is what I want to start from. This is the head point. Creating my label. This is the end, the first point. Okay, so I'll come here, paste it here. Now let me start my job. I'm gonna start. Now you have to do the very simple stuffs that you need to do, as like making everything understandable. Like the places that need line, you have to create line. Then the places that need a column, you have to create a column for it. So I'm gonna bring this. There is a step to enter from this part. You're just gonna be working on your design. I'm trying to work on mine, so you work on yours. So here I'll come to my design tools. I'll come here to my document. I'll pick a line tools. I'll come to this. I'll pick any of the line, any of the line you prefer. Then I'll change this to dash line. I'll pick this. Then I'll come here. I'll create a line here. Create a line here to this spot. I'll create another line here to this spot. Then I'll create a line here, line of 150 millimeter here to the spot. So I'll bring this here a little. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this off. I'll remove the rail. Some things are not needed on the floor plan, so I'm gonna take off all those things that I don't need. Like this, I don't need this lighting too. Don't need this too. I could decide to leave this for a guide, but I really don't need it. I'm just gonna drop it there first. So I'll come to my step case. I'll pick this. There's a step here. There's a step here that's gonna be from, let's say, from a dimension of. There's a step here from a dimension of 300 millimeter. 300 millimeter. That's 3 steps. We have 3 steps to access this structure. We have 3 steps for it. Let's go. Okay. Now this is a 3 step to access this structure. You can either put the step from this side or from this side or from this side, or better still from all sides. But I'm just going to drop my own there. So I'll come down here. What do I need? This is the dining. This is the dining. I need to create a guide here, so they will know that there is a wall that ends at the DPC level. So you create a guide here. Okay. Then I'll create another guide here, because this is going to be for a sliding glass. This is the lobby. This from this ante room to this lobby to the main lodge. So I'll come here. What do I need? I need to create another guide here, because I don't need this. I'll create a guide here, 150 millimeter. My block wall, I'm creating a guide. These are the things you need to do, because it's very, very important. All those things I'm doing right now are very, very important. If you miss this detailing while on ground, it will be very difficult for the construction work to go smoothly. So I'm going to take this off. I'll take this off. Okay, now I got this. Okay, now what did I just do? This is the entrance, this is the ante room, then this is the main lodge. Okay, then this is the dining, this is the lobby. So the dining, there's a kitchen, then there's a balcony, and there's a room. Okay, so there's a door. Let me put a door here. Solid door, 750. You should be working on your own designs. I'm doing mine. Just whatever you want to create, you can create yours. I'm just showing you what I'm doing on mine, so you can use mine to do yours. We didn't design the same thing, except you want me to run a class on this, then that is when you understand. I'm just trying to show you the basic parts that you need to do before you render any of your design. I don't like this door here, so I want to move this door to the other side. So I'll pick a door, move it to the closest resting wall, 900. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, so I have everything that I want now. So I'm going to save my project. I'll save my project, very necessary. I'll save it here. I'll save it as plan edit. Okay, so I'll just save it. Now after this, what do I need? I need let me take down all this AC, because I don't need all this AC anymore. Let me take them down. Let me take down this AC. I could leave the lighting point because I'm going to do the mechanical and the electrical. The building plan consists of 3 sections in a bungalow. We have the architectural, the electrical, and the mechanical. Right now I'm going to do the architectural completely. That's what we're doing right now. So I'll come to my test tools. I'll pick it here. I'll pick my test tools. I'll just draw any line. Okay, I'll paste it here. So I think I'm okay with my settings. I'll just put it here, main lodge. Okay, let me increase the labeling a little. Okay, so I'll paste it here. This is the main lodge. Then I'll pick it here. This is the master bedroom. I'll put it here. I'll label. Always do your labeling. Master bedroom. Just label it the way is best for you. Okay, so this is the anteroom. This is anteroom. This is called entrance. You create a copy of this. I'll move it here. This lobby. Okay. I'll bring this here. Anteroom. This is WC. Okay, so these are toilets. This bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4. So just create a level very carefully. Put it over there. Okay, now you can see we have all our areas labeled. So the only thing I think I need right now is, let me put my wardrobe setting. Let me set my closet for the master. Now there's a master closet. Okay, now the next thing I need is fill. I'll pick my fill tools. I'll come down to the spot. I'll pick it here. Okay, I'll pick it here. Come down here, pick it here, pick it here. I'm trying to create a fill for the lobby. Pick it here. This is my fill tool. Pick it here. Yeah. Yeah. Then back to where it was. Okay, so I'll just change this to something easier. Okay, I think I'm okay. Now guys, you can see I have my entrance, my anteroom, my WC, my main lodge, my dining section, my kitchen, my balcony, my laundry, my bedroom, my laundry, my toilet, my bedroom. This a 4-bedroom bungalow, 4-bedroom bungalow with 5 toilets, an anteroom and main lodge. So guys, after you've done this, the next thing you need to do is your dimension. You can check our channel for our previous class on how to dimension your project, but we're still going to dimension this completely. The next thing you need to do is your dimension, and this part is very, very necessary because this is the part where everything that has to be built will be indicated. You have to be very careful when you're doing your dimension detailing. You don't have to rush it, you don't have to go faster so you don't pick the wrong place. So guys, the dimension part, you come to your design tools. So you come here to your dimension under documents. You get dimension under document, you pick your dimension. Then you can decide to come to dimension setting if you so desire. But I really don't see anything you're doing in settings apart from the arc length and the rest. And I don't like really editing it here. So I'll just click my OK. I'll pick the first dimension. Let me show you if I want to edit that. I'll pick here, I'm coming. Okay, I need to edit because I don't like it. I don't like it. So I have to change this to this. Okay, let me take it down. So I'll pick my dimension, I'll come down to this spot, then I'll leave there, I'll leave here, then that is all. I'll just click my OK. So I'll pick this spot where I want to dimension. I'll pick the first part, then I'll pick the next spot that I want to dimension, then I'll come to where I want to place it. I'll right click and click OK. I'll move it to my desired height, then let's go. Okay, this 3.3. so you're just going to repeat this carefully. You don't need to pick the wrong place because whatever you dimension here is what that's going to be used for calculating the foundation setting at. So you really don't need to rush it. You just need to pick the right tools, the right place, and place it accurately without any mistake. So this is how to dimension your project. In case you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly do, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In case you have anything disturbing you in architecture that you want to know so badly on operating all the softwares, kindly drop it on the comment section and I'm going to treat it. So I'll pick this spot. We're still on the dimension. I'll come down to the spot, pick it up, move this to out a bit. So right now I'm going to change this setting to come this way. I want to change this to go this way. So see that you use this. Okay, perfect. So I pick my dimension, then I'll activate this because I'm working on the other layout. So I dimension this kitchen, dimension from there to this spot. This is what I'm trying to teach you. So you see this spot is highly needed, so I'm going to dimension this spot. Okay, so I'll come here. You see, this is what I told you, you have to be very careful.